Oh, you are too cute. Well, I think you've killed the duck already. She doesn't squeak anymore. You want to get it? Pretty. Go get that duck. Oh, look at you, duck killer. Duck killer. Duck. You little tugger. Yay! Look at the little tugger. Ready? God, such cuteness in a little fat body. What you got? What you got there? What you got there? What you got there? Ready? Give that to me. Give that to me. Okay, there's your ducky. Good girl. Look at you. You gonna be a retriever? Like your big brother? But she don't squeak no more. She just doesn't squeak no more. Cute little wiggle bum. Oh, so here's your big brother. He's got to get the ball because you left the ball. Can you take it, Walt? Take it. Get it, buddy. Yeah, good job, big boy. Oops, too close, too close. Good job, buddy. That's too small for you, though. We don't want you to choke on it. Can you take it, Walt? Can you give it to Mommy? Give it to Mommy. Thank you, buddy. Good job. What do you have? What a smarty pants. Look at you. What a smarty pants. Ready? Are you ready? Such cuteness. Such cute cuteness. What have you got, little Jabberino? Do you have that ball? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that face.